We've made it back to Chimney. Exclamation point is only 200 more feet above Chimney. So, not too long of a walk, but it's definitely well worth it. And then remember, the chimney is 26 stories and the elevator up.
And the elevator is out.
And the elevator is out.
You got a little narration.
That's right.
Good job.
Lower headroom, I think. All right, we're going to go down the grotto on the way back. Definitely on the cool side.
Oh, wow. I think I would do this.
Oh, pretty neat.
There's sweat dripping down my back.
Howdy. Alrighty, we're going into the subway. Be careful, don't twist your ankle.
If you stay to the left, it's the higher. So you need to stay to the left.
This brings back memories.
Yeah, the caving to it.
Oh Lord, the time I got stuck.
Look at that. Now you can stand up right here. Look.
Oh wow.
Alright.
Yes. Look at this room, Dad.
Brings back nightmares. Johnson City, Tennessee. Limbo Caverns. Not Limbo, but
No, we were at
Appalachian Caverns.
Appalachian Cabin.
Look at these swans.
This must be the grotto.
Yeah. I look at where they do the climbing.
Better them than me.
Remember when we went to the climbing wall and they have them where you're upside down? Now we know why.
Workout pause.
I know.
That's cool.
Amazing to see the.
It is. Oh, you're fine.
I'm glad we came back this way. We
Yeah, I am
wouldn't
too.
miss that.
It's some nice scenery over this way. Oh, I know. Uh-oh. I think it is, matter of fact. It sure is easier to take the grotto.
I bet that's what they're doing. They take that instead of taking me.
Well, if anybody knows, they would know.
They would know.
Them construction workers making 18 trips a day up 26 stories of stairs.
Hats off to a man.
So this is where we came up earlier when we went to Vista Rock. So if you come back down Grotto, we figured out Grotto was better.
Taking all the side views.
Yeah.
I'd be hollering too some other kids. I'd be going, yeah!
Whee!
We didn't go up on top. We went up Chimney Rock. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We've done that a couple of times.
Oh, okay.
My husband, well, he said before. He said in the fall we did.
Had it
We're
wrong,
gonna never do it again, but our grandson wanted to.
Yes, I do too.
something.
No, it should be all done.
Have a good day.
You too.
We have made it back.
You did it.
We did. So we made it. All the way from up there. You deserve something this time. Like another kiss or something.
Another kiss?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Nice sweaty kiss.
Get here early, guys, when you come. If you remember when we got here, there was hardly no cars here at all. Now the whole parking lot is full. And then probably the bottom parking lot as well. So we're going to get our water bottles refilled. And we're going to go down and walk to the falls. See what the falls is like.